Hi everyone, welcome again to this Python course. So now I'm in the Python Absolute Beginners environment. Here what I'm going to do is just remove this environment that I have so that I can load a new environment and show you what you should do to have exactly the same environment as I have. This is recommended so that you have exactly the same output in most scenarios as what I'm doing in the course. Okay, so I'm going to remove. You don't need to remove because you don't have this Python Absolute Beginners now in your environment, but we'll load it using a file that I've given you in the course materials. So after removing the environment, the play button here should return to the base environment in your computer. Now what we can do is go to import, go here local drive, and go here to the file system. Here navigate to the course materials or where you have the course materials that you've downloaded and use this Python Absolute Beginners.yaml file. You double click on it and then you can put the new environment name. I'm going to leave Python for Absolute Beginners as well. Then you click import and this should go to import your environment. Okay, so let's just wait a bit for the Anaconda Navigator to reconstruct our environment, and we have the same environment that I've given you throughout this YAML file. Again, just to recap, it's this file right here, Python Absolute Beginners.yaml, that should be in the course materials that I've given you. When this is completed, you should have this environment available for you in the computer. Now, if for some reason you can't import this YAML file, you can let me know by a message so that I can help you debug. If we can't debug, because sometimes in some operating systems there may be some issues with some of the libraries, what you can do is to create an environment, a separate environment with the name that you want, and you install the packages that you don't have available throughout the course manually. That's also supported. It's not a big issue. You may have some slight changes in some of the exercises, but will not be a big deal. That's also an alternative. So after I finish giving you how you can set up Python in your computer, let's now just learn how you can go through the course materials without setting up Python in your computer and using a cloud environment, in this case Google Colab. That's what we are going to do in the next lecture. I'll see you there.